We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing and often mispronounced names too. So make sure to stay tuned for this. So this is a name of German origin. For reference, in German, it is said as Ottilie, Ottilie. Now, in English, this is generally said as Ottilie or Ottilie, Ottilie. Now, in American English, it is generally said as Ottilie, Ottilie, or Ottilie. Yes, I know, being a German name, it's not there's no accepted general pronunciation in English. In German, Ottilie is the original pronunciation. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Those can be confusing as well, but you will know how to pronounce them after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.